So welcome to Module 7, and in this module it's all about MobX. And we're going to move our state outside of our React components and move it into centralized stores, which we have with MobX. So let's take a look at what we're going to look at in this particular module. First of all, we're going to go through an intro to MobX, see what it's all about, and we also need somewhere to store our stores, because we want our MobX store to be available to every single React component no matter how deeply it's nested, so that we don't have to continuously pass down props to child components. And one thing we can use to do that is to make use of the React Context API. And it's in our React Context is where we're going to store our MobX stores. And this will make them available to any of our components. And also in this module, we're going to refactor our code to use the MobX store instead of using just local state in our components. So let's take a look at a before and after, and this one's all about the code. So if we look at the before picture of where we currently stand at the moment, our app.tsx file is pretty huge, as well as our activity dashboard, which really just acts like a middleman in between the app component and our child components. And after we've completed this lesson, then our components are going to be much cleaner. And we can see in our activity dashboard here and our app component, there's significantly less code in our React components, and they're much easier to reason about. And that's what we're aiming for in this particular module. But first of all, we'll take a look at an introduction to MobX just to see what that's all about.